Did you know one small word choice can make you sound like a boss or a teammate? Meet Kenji. It's his first week as a manager, and he wants to sound professional. So he says things like, "You must finish this today," and "You must attend the meeting." His team feels nervous. He sounds strict, even cold. But that's not who Kenji is at all. His colleague Sarah pulls him aside. She says, "Try this instead. You have to finish this today. We have to attend the meeting." Suddenly, it sounds warmer, more like a team working together. So, what's the difference? Must often comes from the speaker's personal authority. It can feel like a command. Have to usually points to outside rules or shared responsibilities. It feels more natural and collaborative in everyday work situations. Both are grammatically correct, but in international business settings, have to often builds better relationships. So next time you need to delegate or explain a deadline, try have to. Your team will feel the difference. You've got this.